Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Supreme Court Collegium recommends transfer of 4 High Court Chief Justices. The key transformation recommended by Chief Justice of India, Mr. Gawai. Specific appointments. Justice K. Sriram to be transferred to Rajasthan, while Justice Minandra M. Srivastava, Rajasthan High Court is recommended for Madras High Court. Extensive judicial restructuring across high courts. 21 other high court judges also recommended for transfer deportation across multiple states. New chief justice appointments. In 5 states, new appointment as chief justice is proposed in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Guwahati, Patna and Jharkhand. Understanding the collegium system. Collegium system எதை இம்போஸ் பண்ணுதுன்னா டெமோக்ராட்டிக் மெக்கானிசம். கொலிஜியம் சிஸ்டத்துக்கு கான்ஸ்டியூஷனல் ப்ரொவிஷன் கிடையாது. இதோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, இட் இஸ் ஹெடட் பை சீஃப் ஜஸ்டிஸ் ஆஃப் இந்தியா அண்ட் 4 அதர் சீனியர் மோஸ்ட் ஜட்ஜஸ் ஆஃப் த கோர்ட். ஹைகோர்ட்டோட கொலிஜியத்தோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் லெட் பை சீஃப் ஜஸ்டிஸ் ஆஃப் தட் ஹைகோர்ட்டு அண்ட் 4 மோர் சீனியர் ஜட்ஜஸ்ஸு. டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங் எப்படி நடக்கும்னா, கலெக்டிவ் ரெக்கமெண்டேஷன், சிங்கிள் ஜட்ஜால் முடிவு பண்ணப்படாது. Constitutional framework for judicial appointment. Article 124 clause 2 says Supreme Court is appointed by every judge of Supreme Court is appointed by President. Article 124 says Supreme Court judges should be appointed by President after consultation with such judges of the High Court. Article 217 High Court. High Court judges should be appointed by President after consultation with the Chief Justice and Governor of that particular state. Index of industrial production growth falls to 8-month low. It says some data comes under GS paper 3. Data 2.7% IIP growth rate, minus 0.2% mining sector. Capital goods 20.3% driven by machinery. Sectoral performance analysis. Manufacturing sector rose by 3.4%. Electricity sector growth slowed to 1.1%. Primary goods contracted by 0.4%. Consumer goods mixed performance across segments. There is no particular way out of it. This graph shows durables and non-durable goods variations. Understanding the index of industrial production. It's a key economic indicator published by Statistical Organization, Central Statistical Office under Ministry of Statistical and Program. It has the base year 2011 to 12. Statistical tool, volume of production and measurement, denoted by volume, not the quality. Cabinet approves MSP hike for Kharif crops. MSP na minimum support price. Outlay 2.07 lakh crore approved 14 Kharif crops. Highest increases to Nagar seed, ragi, cotton and sesame. MSP increases and margin analysis. Best profit margin is maize, tur, urad, bajra, topmost. Procurement growth and nutri-cereal focus. Procurement growth rose from 4,679 lakh tons to 7,871 lakh tons, which is much higher. Market support, guaranteed purchase mechanism strengthened. Policy implementation, sustained government commitment to farmer welfare. Minimum support price, இது எதுக்குன்னா guaranteed payment, recommended by CACP, CCEA, Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs, chaired by Prime Minister. Final decision taken by this institution for crop coverage. 22 crops are mandatorily covered under this MSP. The last news. Importance of Deputy Speaker in democratic balance comes under GS paper 2. One of the most important office, Deputy Speaker, remains vacant since 2019. bridging the constitutional principle and democratic conventions. Articles for Deputy Speaker, Article 93, election for both Speaker and Deputy Speaker as soon as may be. It was provisioned in Article 93. Article 94 and 180 emphasizes the continuity and the constitutional duties of Deputy Speaker. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.